Hello friends, welcome to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today we are going to know about how to fill TNPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon online application form 2022. Open your Google tab and then search for how to fill TNPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon online application form 2022. Freshers Now. Here you can see our website. Click on the first link. To go for the official website, scroll down. You can see here to apply online for TNPSC VAS vacancies. Click here. So click on that. Here you can see the post of Veterinary Assistant Surgeon in the Tamil Nadu Animal Husbandry Service. To apply, click on Apply Now. And here you have to give a user ID of your choice and then enter the captcha and then click on check availability. So the username is available, so you can proceed to the further steps, and here you have to give your own password and then reconfirm the password, and here enter your email ID. And then confirm your email ID once again and then scroll down. Here you have to enter your name and enter your initial and enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, click on generate OTP. An OTP will be sent to your mobile. Click here and then enter the OTP which was sent to your mobile and click here. After that, you have to enter your father's name and initial and select your city and then select your state. After that, enter your mother's name and the initial and scroll down, and here you have to give your date of birth, confirm your date of birth, click here and select the city where your birth certificate has been issued and select the state also, and select your gender, confirm the gender and select your religion and select your nationality and then scroll down. Here you have to choose that you belongs to communal reservation category or others and then click on continue, and here you have to give your 10th class details and click on OK, and here you have to give your registration number of your 10th class, and here you have to enter your passed out date, and here you have to give your date of birth as per on the 10th class mark sheet. And here you have to select your board of examination. After that, you have to enter your 10th class certificate number. Here you have to select the language which you got in the final exam, and now scroll down, and here you have to enter your address details. Enter your city and select your state and enter your district, and then enter the pin code of your area. After that, click on this box if your permanent address is same as correspondent address, and then scroll down and then click on continue. Now here you have to upload your photograph and your signature. To upload your photograph, click on choose file and select your photograph, and then you have to upload your signature and then scroll down and you have to click on continue. Here is the preview of the application. Scroll down and here you have to read the rules carefully and scroll down you have to agree that the information you provided is completely true. If you want to change the details, you can click here, or else you can click on continue. Click on OK. Here you have to scroll down. Now here you have to click on proceed for the payment. Here you click on proceed to pay, and now here you have to click on pay now and submit application. You have to choose the method of the payment, and here you have to refer your payment details and then click on confirm. Here you have to give your card details and click on pay. After the payment only your application will be considered as a valid application. So that's it friends. I hope you understand the process of TNPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon Online Application Form 2022 registration process. Thank you friends.